I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by entering a match and opening settings right away. This saves time and locks your intent. Tap the hero lock toggle, choose the hero slot you want, and press confirm so the system remembers your pick. Do this before you leave spawn or push into lanes, because once you start moving, it can be harder to change without penalty. Make sure your hero is unlocked and that your connection is steady. Otherwise, the lock may fail when the server syncs. Once you're mid-game, manage hero lock with intention. Use the quick settings wheel to reassign or release lock if you must swap after a death or strategic rotation. Communicate with teammates, say keeping lock on X, so no one wastes time picking the same hero. Also monitor your hero's power spikes and map control. If you lose lane advantage, release lock and adapt. These choices prevent forced, bad fights and let you capitalize when your hero's strong, so timing the lock matters. To finish a match cleanly, re-enable hero lock before the final team fight so your positioning and item usage stay consistent. This helps you avoid misclicks. If the lock doesn't apply, try toggling it off and on, or briefly leave and re-enter the match settings. If that fails, relog and check for updates or server notices. When problems persist, capture a short replay and send it with device info to support. That speeds diagnosis.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.